Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carrie, and be sure to take a moment out and subscribe down below if you like this video so you can come back and see more of my videos so I won't get lost in YouTube to you. But today we're going to be unboxing an Ulta haul. I made a big order from Ulta and it came in yesterday, and I'm excited to get to using the stuff, so I need to film the unboxing of it so that I can get to that stuff. But for right now, we're just going to get right into it and see what is in this box. It's a big box. Alrighty, here we go. First thing that I have, and these were all wrapped in plastic. First thing I have is the Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere body wash. It's shampoo, bath, and shower gel all in one, and I'm probably just going to use it as a shower gel and a bubble bath because I have other things that I use for my hair. It smells so good. This is the first time I've smelt it, first time I bought it. It smells like sweet cream with a little hint of warmth, almost cinnamony, but not cinnamon. I can't hardly describe it. It smells so good. If you've never tried this stuff, definitely pick it up because it smells amazing. And if it works anywhere as good as it smells, it's awesome. But yeah, I picked this up from Ulta and I'm anxious to try it. So, next thing I got was my shampoo and conditioner because I am almost out. And I love this brand. It is so good to my hair. It's Love Beauty and Planet, and I buy the coconut and Ylang formula, and it leaves my hair soft and silky, and it smells so good, and the scent lasts a long time too. So like tonight when I take my hair out of my ponytail, I'll smell this, and it's so nice. Good stuff. This is the Hope and Repair formula. So I was happy to get my refills of this. Next up, to go with my body wash, I had to get the perfume because that's just how it goes. So here's the Eau de Toilette of the Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere, and this is the best smelling stuff I've smelled in a long time. This is only like $40 and it's worth every penny. It smells so good. I can't wait to use it in conjunction with my body wash. Then I'll be smelling good for the whole day. Okay, next we have Mad Hippie Cream Cleanser, and it's got 13 actives in it. It's for normal to dry skin, and since winter is pretty much here because it's been really cold here lately, it is time for me to switch to dry skin, normal to dry as opposed to normal to oily, because my skin gets really dry in the winter. It has jojoba, green tea, macadamia oil, and orchid extracts in it. It's a gentle balancing cream cleanser that removes free radicals and impurities while moisturizing and protecting. So I'm anxious to use this. I've never used this brand before, but it's in this nice glass bottle, and I am really, it says lightly massage cleanser into dampened skin for 20 seconds, then rinse with warm water. So, yay! Can't wait to use it. It's cruelty free, it's GMO free, and it's vegan. And then next we have from Mad Hippie again some serum, some vitamin C serum with konjac root, ferulic, and hyaluronic acids. It's uplifting antioxidant blend with vitamin C, E, and ferulic acid, it says. So I plan on using this does 1.02 fluid ounces in this, and I'm not sure how much cleanser. 4 fluid ounces of a cleanser. So, hey. And the next item that I got, well, here, let's do this. If you made a $40 or more fragrance purchase and the warm cashmere was $40, you got a free gift. And it is candles. It's a candle set. It says Vanilla Glow, Berry Bright, and Winter Forest Glam. Nice candles. Good size. And you got that free with a fragrance purchase. Can't complain about that. No, ma'am. Free candles. Okay. And then I picked up this Philosophy Hydra-Bounce Eye Gel. It seems to tick all the boxes of what I want it to do. It's got 24-hour hydration. In 3 days, it says women saw an improvement in the appearance of under eye puffiness, bags, and shadows, which I have. I have those. And I do still like the eye cream that I was using, but I ran out. It was the Balance Me eye cream that I got from Birchbox. And this is the replacement. I'm going to try this. There is 0.5 fluid ounces in here. And it looks like this. You can see it. Oh, the glare is, well, whatever. It has a little safety lid. Unscented. Either that or, you know, the warm cashmere is just in my nose and I can't tell. So, but there is the eye cream that I got. And then the last item I got is the Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. I got it in shade 3. I don't know, it might be a little dark. It might be a summer foundation. But I got this stuff. I finally got around to getting it. It does look a little bit dark. I maybe should have gotten shade 2. But that looked like it would be too light. So I don't know, maybe I need to get both. But that was the other thing I got, was the foundation. And then of course you get a free sample. And I have here my samples. I have Viva La Juicy Soiree sample and a Clinique sample of a liquid facial soap. So awesome. That is my haul from Ulta. That's everything I got. And I love shopping at Ulta. If I'm not there in person, I'm doing it through the internet, ordering online, at least once a month, it seems like. There's always stuff I need. You know, I got to replace my shampoo and conditioner, and I need to replace eye cream and cream cleanser and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm on there pretty much monthly. Let me know if you shop at Ulta, and if you shop online or in store or both. Leave it down below in the comments, and I'd be anxious to read what everyone, you know, does for their shopping habit, how they control it, because mine gets a little out of control now and then. Like, I really didn't need this expensive body wash. I didn't need the perfume, but I've got it. So yeah, let me know if you shop at Ulta and if you shop online or in store or both. And leave it in the comments down below. Be sure to click subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the bell so that you're notified of all my uploads. And I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye!